it's the first start in a couple months. Started right up. I did have it on a charger to keep the battery from dying when it's sitting. So I just kind of want to get it ready for spring. So I'm gonna pull out the rubber floor mats, make sure the tire pressure is good to go. Make sure, I think I have them set at like, I want to say it was 23 psi, 23 or 24, something like that. So I'm gonna check all the tire pressure, make sure those are all up and good and running, and maybe we'll do a little bit of interior cleaning and probably clean up the engine base a little bit. So yeah, we'll get right into it. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Tires were good, they were at the right PSI, so they didn't lose any pressure over winter, which is nice. Cleaned up the dash just a little bit, and yeah, other than that, I do want to, my bolts kind of got corroded after driving a couple times in the winter, so I'm actually gonna pull these bolts off and paint the back side of them. Some of these are a little bit corroded, but well, yeah. So anyway guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing, it helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.